Now we are very close to whalefish. Too much group of whalefishers coming here in Al Green. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. Look the creatures. Al Green, Yanbu, Saudi Arabia.